I'm now going to move on in the application to add a numerical display and write code so that when we press a button, the display will be updated with the key presses we're doing. So what I will do is I will create a text block. I will say it goes into row 0. I'm going to say it goes to column 0. We don't actually have to specify 0 since that is the default. But the other thing I will do is I will say that it does a column span of 4 columns. I'm also going to give it a name. We have to use this X name convention. I'm going to call it display. Just to make sure it's there, I can put some text in there. Something. But it's going to be really, really, really small right now. So we want to fix this up to have a big display just like we did for the buttons as well. So let's go back up to the top to our resources and we'll do another style. And this time our target type will be text block. And again, we'll do a setter for the property of font size. And we'll set the value equal to 50. So now all the text blocks that occur in this grid will end up being affected by this style, unless we override them otherwise. So you can see the desired result there. Now we want to kind of initialize this to be blank, and we also want a horizontal alignment of right, because traditionally, numbers appear from the right-hand side. So if we go to our handling code, what we can do now is we can say display.text equals display.text, the existing value, plus digit text. And this will give us some very basic functionality. So if we debug the application, we can now start pressing numbers and actually see something happening with our calculator. Obviously, there's no error handling code or anything else, and there are no buttons for operations like addition or subtraction right now, but things are starting to take shape.